going on, everybody? Welcome back to another video. We out here with Victor in the 350 today. So he actually did pick one up. We didn't make a video on it because he was kind of scared.
What do you mean I was kind of
Nah, but we're about to go.
Flex. What the fuck?
Yeah, he just didn't want to flex, but this one's pretty much a flex. I mean, look what he's doing now. So recently, we got to say goodbye to his Prius, and then we did a little upgrade to the Z. So how do you feel?
It's a pretty cool car.
Yeah, it's a 06, and if you want to check the miles,
fast for stock.
it's pretty much a flex, bro. If you look right here on the odometer, it's a flex. 40k miles. It's basically like a new car for 06. And right now we're actually gonna go to Home Depot and we're gonna pick up some things. And we're also gonna be restoring his headlights today and then cleaning up the engine bay. So that should be fun. Yep.
Every fucking Z has like foggy ass headlights.
Yeah, every Z, all the yellow headlights and shit. No one ever restores them really. What's up, guys? Just made it to Home Depot. We got Victor, the Nick Fiend, around here.
There you go, bro. Every time I wake up, I have to hit this, bro.
Oh shit.
Just kidding.
Yeah, well, hopefully we find what we need to do. We out here. Home Depot. This shit got everything,
Where are
but
you getting sand?
I think it's downstairs. I'm getting it downstairs, right? Oh, wait, sandpaper's up here.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. Yep.
Yeah, so we're just gonna do some fender work right now. We're gonna do OEM plus custom molded fenders for Chris's car. Because
Yeah,
he got like a
right.
little bit of bacon on his fucking fenders.
All right, y'all. First things first, we're gonna go ahead and get some water in here so we can wet sand the headlights. And if you guys didn't know, this is Victor's new whip. Let's do a quick walk around. Kyla just made it here too, out of nowhere. Oh, wow.
That's good.
All right, so let's take a quick walk around of the car. It is a 06. Damn, this guy popped out. Here's the interior, looking pretty good. Oh!
My bad. Dude,
And then today, he got the HR headlights too. Ooh, shit. This guy's baller.
happy.
And we're gonna go ahead and wet sand the headlights first. So we got a couple different grits today. We got 400, and then we got the 1500 here. But I believe you have the 220.
Yeah.
And then we're gonna start with the 220 wet sand. And then we're gonna wet sand it 3 times. So we're gonna start with the 220, go up to the 400 here. And then we're gonna do the 1500 right at the end. So it's all good. And then we're probably gonna clear coat it if it's still not clear. But we also have a headlight restoring kit, I think.
Oh shit, I left it at home.
You did?
Yeah.
For real?
Yeah.
But yeah, as you can see, it's a bit yellow here. So we're gonna try to clear them up today. It's not too bad though. But yeah, what do you guys think of this new car? This shit is sick.
All of these are booth, they sound like trumpets. All of them go stance, hella rice out and shit.
Like this one right here. But anyways, check this out, guys. If you guys want some stickers, link's gonna be down in the description below. And they just look like this. This is the oil slick one. Yeah. Oh yeah. Close your window, bro.
Can't open it.
Fuck it. Let's get started, boys. You're gonna want to sand it in a circular motion first. We're gonna get all that yellow off. We're gonna wet the headlight again. All right, we got more water.
In the bucket.
All right. What should we do?
Just pour it or
Just pour it a little bit. It's supposed to be spray, but we don't have one.
Bringing them all. Oh shit. Bringing them all. Wash your shoes.
Ooh. It's already looking a little bit clearer. It already looks a little bit clear, bro. We'll do it one more and then we'll switch to the 400. So that's what it's looking like right now. I might have to spray it in a second. The shower one. Oh, missed. shower. All right, and then
Dude, the yellow is gone.
it's already gone.
Do it again.
Look at that. Compare it to the other one, it's already basically gone. It's just cloudy right now because we need to move up the grit. Yeah. Look at the difference, guys. This one's hella yellow. This one is getting clear. So move up to a different grit and then we should be good. So now let's go ahead and open the 400 and then try this one out. So this will be the next one. And then I'll show you guys the results after we sand it. So stay tuned. Ooh. So we just got done with the 400. It's already pretty smooth, but we're gonna go ahead and do a 2000 so it should clear up. And here's a comparison with the other side right now. You could obviously tell it's getting a bit clearer. It's still foggy, but we'll be fixing that soon.
Just leave it like this.
What if you did?
That'd be mean.
Damn, that's already a huge difference, to be honest. All right, and we'll move up to the 1500 now and then update you guys afterwards. But looking pretty good so far. As you can see, it's extremely smooth, but it could be smoother. But yeah, this is pretty good already, to be honest. Still has some imperfections here, but we should be able to clear it all out with the 1500. Damn, this looks good though. All right, y'all, we just got back and we took a quick break to get some food, but this is the headlight restoration kit that we're gonna use. And I believe we're just gonna go ahead and clean the headlight again. And here's what the status of the headlights look like after we sanded it. So it's still pretty foggy, but we are pretty much set on it being like this. It looks pretty smooth already, so we're gonna go ahead and spray some clear coat. I think this is what it is, so it should be good. And we're gonna check out what it looks like. So let me just set y'all down right here.
Comes with this detail. This detail right here. I think that's the spray, the clear.
This is the, yep, this is the clear
I think
coat.
this is polish, I don't know.
This is a cleaning solution, yep.
It comes with 2 tampon pads. Right here. Hold up. Bruh, get the fuck out.
Yeah, so we are going to go ahead and use this cleaning solution first. And then what we're going to do is wipe down the headlights. And then we're going to go ahead and spray it with this coating right here. And it does come with 2 cleaning pads. So I believe you apply a quarter size amount on one of the pads. And then we'll wipe it back and forth. If that's what it says. So we'll see. Shake. Yeah, okay. So we're going to put it on the pad.
A quarter size?
Yeah.
With 7 grams?
7 grams. I think it's sealed, boys. Yeah. Pop the seal in here.
Yep, like it's some walk.
They don't know what that means.
Yeah,
I'm
they
just
do.
kidding.
I know Hanja be on that.
Alright.
It's like
show
a dime.
Show them, bro.
It's like a dime though.
It's like a nickel, though. It's all good, though. It'll spread out. And then it says, use the back and forth motion now. So I guess we'll just go on it. Get it started.
Don't eat no more, man.
Get it started, boy.
Don't eat no more, man. I don't even know how to do this.
Back and forth motion. Oh, sheesh.
You know, toothpaste works or something?
Oh, yeah, I saw that.
Oh, my brother did that.
He does? Yeah, we're just gonna clean the lens one more time before we get into this spraying. But we do have to mask off the whole headlight, so we're probably gonna mask off these areas here so it doesn't get on the paint. But it already looks way clear. It doesn't really look like it's yellow anymore, which is good. What happened? What happened? He's singing?
Yeah, he's singing the box.
Alright, y'all, we just masked off this one side like this. I'm gonna go ahead and get to spraying, so should be good, guys. Make sure everything is not exposed, so everything should be covered now, and should be pretty easy. So yeah, we just used some plastic bags from Safeway. Shout out to Safeway. And also this Chinese restaurants. If you know, you know. And we use a towel to cover it just in case there's any overspray. So it looks pretty good. And we're gonna go ahead and get this started right now. But I believe they're gonna go ahead and mask off that other side first. But let me get started on this side. First side is done, boys. Or the first coat is on. Damn.
That's nice.
This shit dope. This shit smells good too. So if you guys ever need it, go buy this headlight coating. It smells good though.
No, it doesn't.
It smells like bug repellent. Damn, just like that. It's
Instant.
clear.
Instant.
Because we sanded it. So we're gonna do a medium wet coat and then wait 5 minutes. There we go.
Alright, the secret technique is to touch the headlight while it's drying. Just kidding.
Yeah, it is.
Okay, don't go too heavy.
Damn, we got the drip.
Ooh, yeah. Look at that. Perfect.
Perfect.
That looks
hella new, bro.
Bro. 06 headlights, bro.
Damn, bro.
It's a fat project.
That's it.
I gotta do mine next.
Yeah, but don't forget to sand it, guys. It won't work. It won't really work unless you sand it.
Mine looks like the
'Cause
color
then-
of the fire hydrant.
Yeah, because it's gonna be hella uneven. It looks like yours is worse, I think. All right, but anyways, we'll check in with you guys once we do the second coat, and just give it like 5 minutes in between. All right, y'all. This is the second coat. Ooh, looks pretty good. Look at that. Looks brand new, boys. So if you want to do this at home, I would recommend it. It's hella easy. You just need this. All right, guys, we pretty much just finished clear coating the headlights. Here's what they look like. Looks brand new to me. Looks pretty clear, as you see. So it does not take too much to actually restore your headlights, and this could be done in a day. So I definitely recommend it if your headlights are yellow. And just follow the steps I did. Looks pretty good. And next step, we're gonna be restoring Victor's engine bay. So what I did was spray some of the degreaser all the way around the engine bay, and then I'm gonna let it sit for a minute, and then we'll wipe it down. So what I used today was this Simple Green Motorsports cleaner and degreaser, and this does a lot of stuff. So you can use it on basically anything, anything in engine bay at least, and basically just let it sit, make sure all the dirt and shit gets soaked up by it, and then just go ahead and give it a wipe down, and it should look pretty good. So check in with you guys once we wipe everything down and show you what it looks like. Alright guys, so this is the final product. I just wiped everything down. Looks a lot cleaner. As you can see, these areas were pretty black before, but I try to clean it for the most part just to make it presentable, and it looks pretty good. What do you guys think? It looks pretty clean. It was pretty dirty, like even the inside of this, it's still a little bit dirty, so I was trying to wipe it, but it doesn't reach all the way, so I did my best. But it looks pretty good, guys, compared to before. Definitely a must. So if you guys are at home and then you guys never really opened up your engine bay before, this Simple Green Motorsports degreaser is pretty good. It gets the job done, and you could just find this at any Home Depot. That's where I did. But next, we're probably gonna go ahead and put on my fender. I actually did pick up a new fender today, so we're gonna go ahead and replace my front passenger side fender. And also, Kyla and Victor are actually restoring her headlights right now, so let me give you guys a quick update on that before we get started on the fender. So here's the progress going on right here. We got it all masked up. Damn, okay. It's looking pretty good already. As you can see, when you sand it the first time, all this yellow shit comes out. So yeah, definitely do not want that in your headlight, guys. Make sure to restore it, especially on older cars like these. So the driveway is full of old cars. We got this Subi here, we got the Z, we got the other Z, we got the other Z. This is sick. I always imagined this, guys. Look at that. Oh, yeah. Let me know down in the comments below if this is a good setup. We got like literally 3 Z's and a Subi, so could not ask for more, guys. Could not ask for more. Alright, y'all, we just got the fender off. That was a mission, but here's what she looks like right now. Luckily, there wasn't any frame damage done to the frame, so we look good. But let me show you the new fender compared to the old one. This one is definitely fucked. So as you can see, it's nice and painted, but this whole part is fucking dented. This part got dented. The fenders are rolled, but it's pretty fucked up because it buckled right here before. And also this part's bent, and what I'm gonna need to do is actually drill a new hole into the fender for the quick release tab. So I gotta take this one out and then redo it, because this is how I did it last time. So it's still held on like that. But yeah, this is a piece of shit, guys, but here's a new fender. It is not OEM, but hopefully it does fit as good as the OEM ones. I heard good things about this one, so I really didn't have that much money either to get a new one. But yeah, that's what she looks like right now. Gonna try to go ahead and test fit this, make sure it's all aligned correctly, and then I'll show you guys what the new fender looks like.
Ooh. They look hella good.
Oh shit! It looks new.
Damn.
Okay, Kyla popped out.
Oh shit! It looks hella clean now. What the fuck? That shit looks wet. Alright y'all, we pretty much finished everything up today, so let me show you guys all the end results of everyone's car. And first up, we got Bila here. Just restored her headlights. Everything looks so good. Damn, it looks brand new, to be honest. And I believe the previous owner already painted the inside housings here black or gray or whatever, so it really gives the car an aggressive look, and I do plan on doing that to my car as well. And we got Victor's car over here, the new Z, guys. And we also restored the headlights, looking pretty good. Damn, okay. And then we got this fender off, obviously, and finally fitted the new fender on. But there are a couple of fitment issues with this aftermarket fender. There's a small gap where the hood is, and also my aftermarket side skirts do not fit flush yet, so I'm gonna have to realign them just a little bit, but that'll be for another video. And as long as the fender's on, I'm pretty much happy. So what do you guys think of that look? It looks pretty cool to me. For some reason I like the black fender. Yep. Anyways guys, that'll be it for this video. If you did enjoy the video, don't forget to leave a like down below, subscribe for more content, and then also follow my boy Victor on Instagram, follow the Z build, and also follow Bila here as well. What'd you say?
I'm gonna leave it stock.
Yeah, so the car will look like this forever, guys. And
Yeah.
then stock height.
Yeah. Everything's
Yeah.
better stock though.
Yeah.
That's how Nissan wanted it to be.
Oh, I sense a faggot in the comments.
I'm just playing though.
Alright, anyways guys, see you guys in the next video. Peace out.